Okay, this is part 3 of the review. Hopefully that's all. I'm getting lots of calls today, but let's see how we do. So what it says is, this is after all this, we've got these binomial theorem questions. So here's me just walking through how to do these problems again. So the first thing you want to do is look at the exponent, and that's going to tell you which row on Pascal's triangle. So we can see a 4 there, we see a 4 here. We're going to use this row. 1, 4, 6, 4, 1. Oh, I did not leave enough space. What was I thinking? I'm so sorry. Leave some space, Coop. Okay, then we're going to take this first term, the x, and we're going to go down. x4, 3, 2, 1, nothing. And then we're going to take our back term, 3, and we're going to go up. 3, 1, 2. Everything should be all lined up, and then we're going to multiply down. Okay, anything to the power of 0 is 1, so we've got x to the 4th. This is a plus, so everything's going to be plus, plus. 4 times 3 is 12x cubed, plus 3 squared is 9, times 6 is 54, x squared. 27 times 4 is 108. I don't know this, I just already had it all worked out. And 3 to the 4th is 81. Okay. All right, looking at the next one. This one says to the 5th. So again, we're going to take this 5th line. Let me do better spacing this time. 10, 10, 5, 1. Take our first term to the 5th. Cooper, come on. I'm trying to go fast and so it's getting sloppy. Sorry. Take our back term. And we're going to multiply down. So we got x to the 5th. 5 times 3 is, we still got plus. So we still got plus 15x to the 4th. 9 times 10 is 90x cubed. 27 times 10 should be 270. Yep, just checked. And then 3 to the 4th was 81 times 5 is 405. And then this cancels out. And 3 to the 5th is 243. Okay. Now 17 is a minus, and we've got some extra exponents here. So again, this 4 tells me I'm going to have 1, 4, 6, 4, 1. Much better. And then I got this whole thing as my first term. So I've got b cubed to the 4th. B cubed cubed. B cubed squared. B cubed to the 1. B cubed to the 0. Then I got my 3. Everything's lined up. This time though, because we've got this minus, we're going to start with plus, minus, plus, minus, plus. Okay, so these are exponent. This is a power rule, which means I'm going to multiply. So it's going to be b to the 12th, and then 3 times 4 minus. 3 times 4 is 12, b to the 9th, plus 3 squared is 9, times 6 is 54, b to the 3 times 2 is 6, minus 3 cubed is 27, times 4 is 108, b cubed, and then 3 to the 4th is just 81. Okay, 18. Again, we've got to the 4th, so we've got our 1, 4, 6, 4, 1. Then we've got just 4 in the front, so 4 to the 4, 3, 2, same patterns every time. This time we've got x squared though in the back, so x squared to the 0, to the 1, x squared squared, x squared cubed, x squared to the 4th. And I spy a little minus right here, so again, plus, minus, plus, minus, plus. Then you go straight down. 4 to the 4th is 256, but then we've got this minus. 4 times 4 cubed is kind of 4 to the 4th again, so we got 256x, and then 2 times 1 is 2, plus 4 squared is 16 times 6 is 96, x to the 2 times 2 is 4. Now we got this minus 4 times 4 is 16, 2 times 3 is 6, and then that would cancel out, plus 2 times 4 is 8. This is a creature of habit right here. Why do I box that? Because I did that in 7th grade. Why do I circle it? Because in 7th grade, my teacher would not count my homework unless that was circled and that was boxed. Good habits, just very strong habits. All right, so here we are with our 4 again. I tried to make this a little bit faster by writing them on each page. I hope this helps you guys see. I don't need to use a full page for each one of your personal ones. Okay, so this is 2y to the 4th. So we're going to slow down for just a minute here. We're going to have to do 2y to the 4th to the 0. Squared cubed to the 4th. Okay, so we're going to multiply down. So this is just going to be, oh, wait, hold on, plus. So they're all plus. So we've got x to the 4th plus, and then right here we have 4, and this is let me give some space here. So this says 2 to the 1, y to the 4th to the 1, basically. Okay, so we got 4 times 2 is 8, and then we have x cubed, and then we have y to the 4th. Plus, this says 2 squared and y to the 4th squared. So 2 squared is 4 times 6 is 8. 4 times 6 is 24. X squared, and 4 times 2 is 8. Okay, and then plus, we've got 2 cubed and y to the 4th cubed. So that's 8 times 4 is 32, x, y to the 12th. And then this is 2 to the 4th and y to the 4th to the 4th. So 2 to the 4th is 16. And then 4 times 4 is y to the 16th. There's no x this time because it was to the 0. Okay, last one. Hopefully no one calls. Let's see. So I've got 1, 5, 10, 1, 5, 10, 10, 5, 1. If you've just been watching it to now, I would suggest you pause right now and try this yourself. See if you can set it up and get the right answers, because this is a kind of minorly more difficult. Let's just see it. Okay, I'm going to pretend you did. I hope you did. So this says y to the 3rd to the 5th to the 4th cubed squared to the 1 to the 0, and then I've got my 2 and x to the 0, 1 squared. I hope you guys like this method. You don't have to use this method. Obviously, Nearpod gave a different way. This is just a technique that I picked up after teaching for 16 plus years, you know. It's just something that my students and I came up with, so it's not really in books. I feel like it should be, but whatever. Okay, so this is plus. That means we're just going to plus it out. So we have 3 times 5 is 15, plus 2 times 5 is 10, and I'm going to have y to the 12th, and I'm going to have x to the 1. You could put the x in front if you like, but it's typically just in order. Plus 2 squared is 4 times 10 is 40, and then I'd have 3 times 3 is y to the 9th, x squared. Then right here I've got 2 cubed. 8 times 10 is 80, y 6x cubed. 2 to the 4th, let's see, that was 8. 16 times 5 would also be 80. That's interesting. Plus 80, and we're going to have y cubed x to the 4th. And then my last little term, oh no, I ran out of space. 2 to the 5th is 32x to the 5th. And that's it. Hey guys, good luck on your test. If there's other questions you want me to go through, send me an email or join me on Zoom, or you can call me at 385-646-2219. Oh, there's my house shoe. Have a great day.